Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite vacation tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do a speed test on my UMIDIGI F1, but before I get into that video, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video I'm going to just do a speed test using Geekbench 4 scores and then also Antutu bench scores. I just want to see what numbers I get when I do those tests on this phone, the UMIDIGI F1. See what this MediaTek P60 processor can actually do. So let's get this going. I'm going to do Geekbench first. Now I might speed this up some just because I know it can get a little boring to watch. Okay everyone, so here are the scores, man. A single score of 1495 with a multi-score of 5739. That's actually pretty good. Let's see how it compares to other phones. Galaxy Note 8, 19. Look, so it does beat out some of the other phones. Redmi Note, Galaxy Note 5, which is a couple years old. But that's not too bad of a score. Multi-score, 5739. Look at the Note 8. Also the Galaxy Note 7 down there, Galaxy S7. So that's actually pretty good. What y'all think about those scores? The performance on this thing has been really good. Alright, so let's compare it to the new mobile G3 Plus. Bam, you can see that the F1 actually beats it. But the G3 came out last year, really. I can't wait to see what the G4 will bring. Stay tuned to the channel. I will redo this comparison once the G4 drops next month. But let's move on to the Antutu bench scores. All these allows. Again, I probably will speed this up some. Okay everyone, so a 141, 143, that's actually pretty good. It says defeated 38% of the users. Again, let's compare that to the G3 Plus. Again, it's a little bit lower. Can't wait for the G4 to come out to see what it can do with the F1. But what you think about those numbers? 141, 143. Bam. Now, the question is, does these numbers really matter? To people, yes, they do. The performance I've been getting on this phone has been really good so far. Again, no hiccups, no slowdowns. Let me know what y'all think about these numbers in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the UMIDIGI F1. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.